What's up? My name is Doug, the Bearded Outdoorsman. Welcome to another video. Today's going to be a little different than most of my other videos. Now today we're going to talk about a problem that we had. So yeah, we're going to talk about a problem. So as some of you know, I don't know if all of you know, but I record and edit and do everything with my YouTube channel via my iPhone. I have since day one. I have not changed. I have not wavered. Everything is done via my iPhone, from recording to editing to uploading to everything. All right. So, needless to say, my iPhone has a lot of video storage. A lot of video stored, a lot of thumbnails, a lot of B-roll, a lot of that stored. In addition, I have multiple children, so I have footage of that too. So, I recently upgraded back, I guess it was about a year and a half ago, upgraded to a newer phone, upgraded to a bigger phone, so I have a little more storage. Well, the other day, and some of you may already have noticed that a few of my videos have not had my intro running. All right, so a few weeks ago, I pulled my phone out, iPhone. I can't show you because, of course, I'm recording from it. But I pulled my iPhone out. I had a notification, pulled it out, went to swipe to do the notification, and guess what? Nothing. The touch screen was completely unresponsive. Well, I called Verizon, who I have service through. They did a little troubleshoot. Then they sent me to Apple, at which point Apple did their troubleshoot, and they sent me to a Best Buy. All right, so Best Buy is an Apple third-party retailer. I wish I had some kind of commission I could get from this video, but there's none anyway. Apple sent me to Best Buy, at which point I went to Best Buy and they told me they didn't have anything in the system. They couldn't fix my phone. As I scratched my head and said, the appointment was set up by Apple, but you can't fix my phone. So I went back outside and called Apple. Sat on the phone for about 45 minutes to an hour, and then they finally got it all squared away. Said, "Hey, you know what? We'll fix it. Just go back in." So I go back inside, and of course everything was in the system now. So they take my phone and they tell me, "Hey, we're gonna have to ship it to Apple." Okay. I can't access my phone to back anything up. Everything, I can't get into my phone. Nobody can. They tell me that it is a high likelihood that I'll lose everything. I said, well, okay. So they take my phone and they told me it would be 5 to 7 days. It turned out to be about 4 days. They called me from Best Buy and said, "We got your phone back." So I go get my phone, turn it on, and guess what? It is a new device. It's not a new device, not really a new device, but they have completely erased everything on my device. What that means is I have lost everything. There were multiple videos that I had recorded to edit for this channel that I lost. There was my intro that I lost, my outro I lost, so many things that I lost. I lost pictures of my kids for years back. I lost pictures, I've lost videos, I've lost so much stuff. So I'm going to tell you that if you have an iPhone, especially an iPhone 11, this seems to be, based on what I've learned, this seems to be a problem with the iPhone 11. So if you have an iPhone 11, I highly encourage you to pay for the iCloud storage. I had not. I had just done the whatever comes with the phone. Never given me a problem before, but this time it did. So I wish I could get a little kickback from this, but I'm telling you, I get no commission. Get over, if you have an iPhone 11 especially, get over and save your data with iCloud. Go ahead and pay for that extra storage. As soon as I got my phone rebooted and set up, that was the first thing I did, was I set up iCloud storage for, a lot. So that way I don't lose anything. I don't want to lose nothing. Here I am doing content for you guys, and I lost a couple videos that I had recorded. I lost my intro, so I'm working on redoing that. So don't worry about it. I'm working on redoing the intro. But unless it's somewhere that I can pull it away, like Instagram or something like that, it's gone. I've lost so many pictures and videos. It is heartbreaking, but I try not to think about it a whole lot. But I just wanted to do this video just to give you kind of a update as to why there's no intro playing on my videos for the last couple weeks, and to give you a little bit of insight that if you have an iPhone, I highly recommend you get over and do the iCloud storage, because in the event, I'm telling you, literally, I had a notification on my phone. I checked it. Everything was cool. Put it back in my pocket. 10 minutes later, had a notification. Pulled my phone out. Couldn't do anything. So it happened that fast. So, if you have an iPhone, I'm just telling you, be careful and take care of that iCloud storage. Make sure you are picking and choosing what is going in there, regardless if you're a content creator or not. Even if you just have pictures of your children, you just want to make sure that stuff is backed up and there. It's horrible. I can't even count. I have a 256 gigabyte phone, and I can tell you I lost everything. And it was the last time I checked it, prior to this incident, I was well over 200 gigabyte. So I lost over 200 gigabyte of data, of pictures, videos, contacts. I lost some contacts. I didn't lose them all. Some of them were backed up. So just be wary and be careful, and take into consideration. Highly recommend iCloud storage. $10 a month is what I did, is the 2 terabyte. I can justify it because I'm doing these videos and I have a lot of video and picture data that's stored, so I can justify that $10 a month for that 2 terabyte just to make sure I don't lose anything. But yeah, that's the whole point of the video. That's why you hadn't seen an intro. And just be careful with your phone. Yeah. That's all I got today. So back your phone up. Stay bearded. Get outdoors. And God bless.